Hi, my name is Mr. Ross. I'm a teaching artist on the Access team at ArtistYear, a national AmeriCorps program that serves learners like you with expanded arts education. My art forms are creative writing and acting, and I'm here at the Please Touch Museum's Playhouse Theater, where I'm going over some on-stage basics. Things important for any young actor to know when they perform in a play. This episode is Voice. Talking on stage is a little different than having a conversation in real life. As a character, you're talking to someone else on stage with you. But as a performer, you're talking to the audience. And the audience needs to hear you clearly, even the people in the very last row of seats. That doesn't mean that actors have to shout. Instead, they project, breathing deeply to fill their lungs up, and then using all that air to make their voices carry far. An easy way to test if you're projecting is to keep a hand on your belly as you breathe and speak. Try it with me. Sit or stand up straight and put your hand here. You should feel your belly getting bigger and pushing the hand out as you slowly breathe in to the bottoms of your lungs, down near your stomach, and then getting smaller again as you slowly breathe out and use your voice. Ah. Breathe in again, and repeat these words as you breathe out. Red leather, yellow leather. Your shoulders should stay low as you fill your lungs completely, and your belly muscles can help you push all the air out as you empty them. Breathe in, and then repeat those words again as you breathe out, imagining that you're saying them to someone in another room, someone who won't hear you if you use a normal indoor voice. Red leather, yellow leather. That's it. That's how actors project their voices. No shouting needed. In this episode of Onstage Basics, we practiced projecting our voices so an audience will hear us. Making your voice heard is a very important skill. When you're performing in a play, when you're giving a speech, when you're speaking up in school, and any other time you're talking. But what about the stories that actors tell by talking? In the next episode, Story, we'll go over the importance of stories and how actors bring them to life on stage. Farewell for now.